Here I have iPhone XS, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to do it with the simplest way. Let's open the screen that you want to capture and let's use the following combination of keys. Side button and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys. And as you can see, you just capture the screen. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together side button and volume up. And you just save the screen. Now you can also open this screen and you can make some changes right here. For example, you can mark something, you can write something right here, and you can tap done to save this picture. Let me do it, choose save to photos. Alright, now let me show you the second way of taking screenshots, but if you would like to use this way, you have to enable a couple of things. So let's open settings and let me show you from the beginning. From the list of settings, choose general, scroll down and choose the accessibility. It should be right here. Let's tap it, scroll down again and choose assistive touch. Let's enable the assistive touch. As you can see, the floating bar pops up. Now choose customize top level menu. Let's add some icon, use this plus button, and here let's tap screenshot. That's it. Now you can use this floating bar and you can tap screenshot and just save this screen. Alright, now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you need to open photos, and here in photos you can choose, for example, albums, and you can choose the screenshots, and you can now share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.